this video, you will learn about 20 phrasal verbs with have and take.
10 phrasal verbs with have on. Meaning, to wear something. Example, she has on a beautiful red dress for the party. Do you have on your winter coat? It's cold outside. Have over. Meaning, to invite someone to your home. Example, we had our friends over for dinner last night. I'm planning to have my cousin over this weekend. Have out. Meaning, to resolve an argument or disagreement. Example, they finally had it out and resolved their differences. Let's have this out before it gets worse. Have up. Meaning, to bring someone to court for trial. Example, he was had up for speeding last month. The company might be had up for breaking environmental laws. Have at. Meaning, to attack or confront someone or something. Example, the kids had at the piñata until it broke. Let's have at this problem and solve it quickly.
Have in.
Meaning, to invite someone into your home. Example, we had a plumber in to fix the sink. She had a decorator to redesign her living room. Have against. Meaning, to hold a grudge or a reason for dislike against someone. Example, what do you have against her? She seems nice. I have nothing against your plan. I just prefer another approach. Have up to. Meaning, to inquire about someone's activities. Example, what have you been up to these days? I wonder what they have been up to lately. I wonder what they have been up to lately. Have off. Meaning, to take a break or day off. Example, I'm having tomorrow off to spend time with my family. She decided to have the afternoon off after finishing her work early. Have it in for. Meaning, to dislike someone and look for ways to criticize or harm them. Example, the teacher seems to have it in for him. Why does your boss have it in for you? Why does your boss have it in for you? 10 phrasal verbs with take up. Meaning, to start a new hobby or activity. Example, she has taken up painting recently. I decided to take up yoga to stay fit. I decided to take up yoga to stay fit.
Take on.
Meaning, to accept a challenge or responsibility. Example: he took on more work than he could handle. They're taking on new staff this month. They're taking on new staff this month.
Take off.
Meaning, to leave the ground for planes or to become successful. Example: the plane took off an hour late. His career really took off after his first big project. His career really took off after his first big project. Take out. Meaning, to remove something or take someone on a date. Example: can you take out the trash, please? Example: can you take out the trash, please? He's taking her out to dinner tonight. He's taking her out to dinner tonight. Take back. Take back. Meaning, to return something or retract a statement. Example: I need to take back this jacket. It doesn't fit. I take back what I said earlier. I was wrong. I take back what I said earlier. I was wrong.
Take down.
Meaning, to remove something or write information. Example: they took down the old posters from the wall. I'll take down your contact information for later. I'll take down your contact information for later. Take over. Meaning, to assume control or responsibility. Example: she will take over as manager next month. The company was taken over by a larger corporation. Take after. Meaning, to resemble a family member in appearance or behavior. Example: she takes after her mother in looks and personality. He really takes after his father's sense of humor.
Take in.
Meaning, to understand or to give someone shelter. Example: it was a lot of information to take in all at once. They took in a stray cat during the storm. They took in a stray cat during the storm. Take apart. Meaning, to dismantle something. Example: he took the engine apart to fix it. The kids love taking their toys apart and putting them back together.